Determining whether or not to move your safe involves evaluating several factors that can make the decision-making more complex than simply packing up and relocating it. In many cases, moving your safe makes sense. However, as with any large and heavy item, there are exceptions. In this video, we'll help you assess whether moving your safe is the right choice or if there's a better alternative. Hi, I'm Riley with Northwest Safe. Today, we're answering a question we hear often. Should you move your safe or consider other options? Many of our customers are moving because their circumstances have changed. Some have outgrown their safe and need a larger one, while others are downsizing and can get away with a smaller safe. If your safe no longer fits your needs, it may be time to purchase a new safe instead of going through the effort and expense of moving it. Safe prices generally increase over time, though this can vary based on the make, model, and condition of your specific safe. While safes tend to retain their value, selling one privately can be a challenge. Coordinating a private sale means ensuring the buyer has the proper tools and expertise to move the safe safely and without damage to your home. For many customers, our buyback program is a simpler solution. While the buyback offer may not always be the highest price, it eliminates the hassle of selling privately. Moving a safe involves several cost variables. The key factors that determine cost include weight and size. The larger, heavier safes require more labor and specialized equipment. The next thing is the difficulty. If your safe must be moved across stairs, slopes, or narrow spaces, additional labor and precautions will be required. And then finally, the scheduling. The more notice you provide, the lower the cost. If you need a last-minute move, we may need to dispatch a special crew, which results in additional fees. On average, moving a safe costs about 1.5 times the standard delivery fee. However, if your move involves additional challenges or urgent scheduling, costs may increase accordingly. Here are two real-world examples. Jake purchased a safe in 2018 for $4,000. Today, his safe is worth about $5,485 if you include installation. He's moving from Seattle, Washington to Boise, Idaho, and has provided us 3 weeks notice. The cost to move the safe, including shipping, is $2,985. Because the cost of moving the safe is reasonable relative to the safe's value, it makes sense for Jake to move and take it with him. The next example is Lisa. Lisa purchased her safe for $1,000. This safe new now costs $1,300 and the cost for installation is $385. This brings the total to $1,685. The cost for her to now move her safe from Enumclaw to Nashville, Tennessee is $2,485. In this case, it would not make sense for her to move her safe. She would be better off buying a new safe. As you can see, the decision to move a safe depends on multiple factors: its value, moving costs, and any logistical challenges involved. If moving costs are reasonable compared to its value, taking it with you makes sense. If not, selling or trading in may be the better option. If you're unsure whether moving your safe is the right choice, stop by our store or give us a call. Our team at Northwest Safe is here to help you find the best solution. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, check out our other videos on safe buying, moving, and storage solutions. We look forward to helping you with your safe needs.